Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today in this video, I will be showing you 12 different cards that I make with the card kit of the month from December 2022. And this card kit is called Love Grows Here. So I've already actually posted a video on my channel here on YouTube with 10 different cards that I've made with this kit. And here on this video, I'm going to show you 12. So I lost a little bit of the video footage for the 12 on this video, but I will show you all 12 at the end. So it won't be the process of all 12, but you'll get to see the finished project. So I guess that's better than nothing. I do usually make quite a few cards with card kits from Spellbinders. They are packed full of all sorts of goodies, from pattern paper to stickers, stamps, dies, the whole 9 yards. So if you're interested in seeing what actually comes in the card kit before watching what I make with it, go ahead over to my channel and see the unboxing video that I posted on December 1st. And that will give you a look at everything from the die cut shapes to the stamp to the die. So I definitely recommend watching that before watching this, but if you're not really interested in watching that, stick around, I suppose, and you can see some cards that I make. I've really been into layering recently, so I've been layering paper and paper and paper, or different die cut shapes or different chipboard elements on top of each other, and that's been really fun to create a lot of detail on my cards. Now, a lot of people wonder, is a card kit worth trying out? So I will just say that even a themed card kit is worth giving a shot, even if you're not sure about the theme. So, for example, this theme of this card kit is all about love. It's titled Love Grows Here. It kind of is in the title. There's been other card kits about, unicorn dreams, or last month, November, was camping. The month before was sewing and crafty stitch stuff. So if that isn't your thing, I still would recommend trying out a card kit, because there's so many things that come inside the card kit that you can turn even a themed card kit into different types of cards. So all of the cards that I'm making here today aren't all lovey-dovey cards. Some of them are. I will be making some wedding cards, birthday cards, and at the end of this little process part of the video, I will show you how I kind of divide up my cards into different categories. So a lot of times from Spellbinders, I will have kind of some basic categories like birthday, thank you, graduation, encouragement, blank, or even anniversary/love. So it's just kind of a neat way to build up your card stash. And when you need a card, you can just shop your own stash, which is way easier than going to the store and buying a card. I personally love having a card stash at my house, and so do a lot of my family members. They'll ask me, hey, I have a wedding coming up, or a funeral, I need a card for this, or can you make a specialty card for my grandchild, or whatever it might be. So I love card making. With this card, I was completely inspired to make this whole card from the little wedding cake, or I guess a stacked cake. I think that it's reading more to me as a wedding cake, so I'm going with that. But you can kind of see it under that big bow. I tried to make a little scene in my chipboard frame here. So I'm just going to use a different pattern paper to make kind of a ground, or a table. I guess a table makes more sense for a cake, but a table for this cake to rest on. So now that I have that chipboard background all set, I'll just put that right on to my card. And I don't know if you can quite tell, but there is a bit of gold foiling on the white paper that is on the background right above the pink paper. So I think that this card just really turned out nice and elegant. and it just kind of makes me happy looking at it. I think I might have to pull this one out for a coworker who is getting married this December, right after Christmas. Anyway, now that the card's all made, I'm good to go. So you can see that that cake fits in that frame really nicely, and it just kind of sets the scene. And this bow, I'm just going to add glue to the middle part to help kind of let the bow have a little dimension. I did mention this in my last card kit video, but I would like to know what card is your favorite. So right after this card, I will show you all 12 of the cards that I made with this video, and I'd like you to be on the lookout for your favorite card from this little collection. I think that my favorite would probably have to be this cake one, just because it really is full of all sorts of patterns and things just coordinate, which again is the beauty of a card kit. The people who design them and put them together really do take the time to coordinate patterns and color palettes and fonts, and it really just all works together. It's actually pretty hard to make an ugly card using a card kit because of that reason. So thank you to those individuals who make it possible to make all sorts of beautiful and creative cards with card kits. All right, so I have gone ahead and separated out all 12 of my cards by category. So this first category is kind of the lovey-dovey card section. So we have the birds, we have the cake, the love, and the hearts. And I will show all of these in a slower process, but I just mentioned these. These are kind of the encouragement cards. That butterfly one is so beautiful. These are kind of like, I guess, encouragement or appreciation cards. And these would be kind of a new home card. So kind of with the love grows here and the nest theme. So maybe a new home or house for sale. Anyway, here is a slow version of my card viewing, and you can see each of the cards. And I didn't realize it was on camera, but you can see in the top left some stitched ornaments that I did just have on my desk, but do not mind them and just see the cards, I suppose. I really did like that stamp of "You Make My Heart Sing." I think that is just a perfect pairing for different fonts. I love when they pair fonts together like that. So anyway, again, be on the lookout for your favorite card. Let me know in the comments. I think this butterfly one or the first wedding cake card that I showed, creating that one, was probably a tie for my top two. Anyway, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future, and let me know if you liked the video by hitting the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!